What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Jaguar XE remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2020 to 2022 Jaguar XE, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on the side of the fob, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now taking a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see there's these two tabs right here. What I'm going to do is take my key and put it in between those two tabs like that, and then just twist the key a little bit, and you can see it starts to pop this back cover up. Once that cover's started, what I'm going to do is come over here to the corner by the silver, the side with the silver piece on it. Come over to that corner and get your key in there and just use it to pry up on that back cover. Once that back cover is off, we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out of this battery holder like that. Then we'll grab our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide that battery into the battery clip, and then we can snap our back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.